Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super useful tutorial: how to add a search bar in Google Sites for 2025. If you've got a Google site and want to make it easier for visitors to find what they need, this is the feature you've been waiting for. It's a game changer for user experience, especially if your site has lots of pages or content. Stick around, and I'll walk you through it step by step in just a couple of minutes. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Google account. Head over to sites.google.com and open the site you want to edit. Once you're in the editor, look for the Insert menu at the top. That's your gateway to all the cool elements you can add. Now, click on Insert and scroll down until you find Search Bar. Google Sites has made this really straightforward in 2025, so it should be right there. Select it, and you'll see a prompt to add it to your page. Drag and drop it where you want it to appear, like in your header or sidebar, for easy access. After adding it, you might want to customize it a bit. Click on the search bar element, and options will pop up to change its size, color, or even link it to specific search parameters. This ensures it matches your site's theme perfectly. Don't forget to preview your site to see how it looks. Google Sites has a handy preview mode to test things out. Once you're happy with it, hit Save, and then publish your site. That's it, your search bar is now live, helping users navigate your content seamlessly. A quick tip: if the search bar isn't showing up, double-check that your site is updated to the latest Google Sites version. Sometimes, older templates need a refresh. And if you run into any issues, Google's Help Center has great resources. There you have it. Adding a search bar is easier than ever in 2025. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and let me know in the comments what else you'd like to learn. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.